Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to install app from App Exchange in Salesforce. So before installing the app, we discuss about the App Exchange first. In Salesforce, an App Exchange is an online marketplace where the user can find, install, and use the application, components, and consulting services to extend the functionality of their Salesforce environment. It is similar to the app stores for mobile devices, but specifically tailored for the Salesforce ecosystem. Here we are going to discuss the whole process and we discuss how to install the app from the App Exchange in Salesforce. So for this, we need to move to our developer account. This is my Salesforce developer account and here we want to see how to install app from App Exchange. So for this, we enter the app in the quick find box and here we can see under the app two options are present. First one is app manager and the another one is app exchange marketplace. And here we want to click on the app exchange marketplace and it will redirect us to the visit the app exchange website. Visit the App Exchange website to explore apps, components, and other solutions, including free and pre-built solution from the Salesforce Lab. Don't worry, we will open the App Exchange in a new browser tab so you don't lose your work. So for this, we click on the Go to App Exchange and we come to our App Exchange page. If you don't log in into this, so firstly log in. So click on the login button and here we go. We are successfully logged in into our app exchange. And here we can see lots of apps are present. And click on the explore apps for exploring more apps. And here we go. We can see lots of apps are shown under this app exchange page. And you can also filter the things. Here you can see the sales, marketing, IT and administrator, customer service, finance, analytics, productivity, commerce, collaboration. All the types are present here. You can select any of these, and the apps related to the sales, marketing, and any other are shown here. And you can install easily by simply clicking on the install button. So, firstly, we want to install the free app. So, we enter the free in the search box, and here the filter comes, and we selecting the free and hit enter. Here we go, we can see our free apps here and we want to install this free app, so we click on this report manager free and our app is open. Now we click on the get it now option and it will redirect us to the where do you want to install this package window. Here install this package in the org where you or your user work, including developer edition org. Connect Salesforce account. Simply connect to the Salesforce account by entering the Salesforce username here and click on the install in product or install in sandbox. If you want to install in the production, so click on the install in production button. Otherwise, you click on the install in sandbox button. But we want to install this package in the install in production. So we click on the but we want to install this package in the production. So we click on the install in production button. Now confirm the installation details. Package, report manager free, version 2.15.0, subscription is free, organization self, and the duration of this app is does not expire. Number of subscription 1 and the username is this. Here are the details we will share from your profile and then click on the checkbox I have read and agree to the all terms and condition and then click on the confirm and install button. Here we go, almost there. We are redirecting you to the Salesforce login page to continue the installation. Now it will redirect us to the login page. So you simply click on the login button and here we go. We comes to the install report manager free. Select the option install for admin only, install for all user, yeah, install for specific profiles. If you want to install for admin only, then select the install for admin option checkbox. If you want to install for all user, then select the all user. And if you want to install for specific profile, then you click on the specific profile option. But we want to click on the install for all users, so we click on the install button, and it's installing and granting the access to all the users. It takes some time, and here we go. We can see our installation complete, and we hit the done button. Now we come back to our install pages, and here we can see our report manager free app is installed successfully and placed under the install package section. So this is how we can install app from the app exchange in Salesforce. I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the regular updates of upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.